Hi everyone, how welcome to my YouTube channel. My mobile phone display show Instagram dual icon, dual apps. Only one apps installed by Google Play Store. Same apps second time not installed by Google Play Store. I will try second time same apps, Instagram apps uh, installed by Google Play Store. Try. So Google Play Store option click and this interface show your mobile phone display and search Instagram and not second time install option. Only install it, just update, not install second time. So my mobile phone display double Instagram apps. Which system bring mobile phone display double icon on mobile phone display? So this video watching and learn which system mobile phone display same as dual mobile phone display. Now first apps install, uninstall it. Uninstall option click and now one apps show on mobile phone display. So which system bring mobile phone display double? Then setting icon and this interface show your mobile phone display. Upper side show search option and types apps and search. And second option dual apps option. Click dual apps and scroll down and Instagram icon. Click Instagram icon and turn on. Already back and check. Already double icon click. Instagram double apps show on mobile phone display. So if you want dual Instagram ID install it same time. First Instagram apps one ID, second Instagram app second ID. Only one Instagram apps your mobile phone display, then two ID in same time not browsing. One ID log out, then second ID log in. But now two same Instagram apps dual icon. So two Instagram ID same time browsing your mobile phone display. Thank you watching my video. Please do not forget subscribe.